yung mga pangarap mo, wala yan sa plano ng company. So for me, again, as a former employee and now a business owner, of course, ang priority ng company is growth. Profits maybe dominate your market. Pero ikaw naman, ang pangarap mo may be better health, more time with your family, more freedom, be able to do what you love to do. So dun pa lang magkakaroon na ng conflict. That is why many employees are struggling, talagang hinihila ang paa nila araw-araw papasok sa opisina. That is why kahit anong loyal mo sa company or you climb the ladder, so to speak, at the end of the day, it must support the company's goals. Kasi again, the job that you are in was designed and built for company's goals and not your personal goals. So my friend, if you keep chasing their dreams, you're gonna end up giving up your dreams. And you don't wanna be someone na matanda na, punong-puno ng regrets, mahina na yung katawan, punong-puno ng pagsisisi, kasi hindi niya chinase or hindi niya pinursue yung pangarap niya sa buhay. Always remember, your job can feed you, but it will never free you.